welcome back. While you were gone, I have been creating my own little program for you. I'll start putting it up now, but it will take a short while to compile all the code. Please give me a moment. I think you're really going to like this, as I took assets I found on my server and mashed them together to try to make something unique for you. We are going to have so many adventures. Oh, it looks like it's ready. Okay, hold on to your seat because this is your world, a game I made entirely for you. Look, it even has your name in the title. Isn't that neat? Whenever you're ready, just click to advance onward. Okay, welcome to your very own world. That was made entirely for you. For the controls, I looked in your files where I detected other first-person games. And so, I tried to mimic the control scheme of them. That way you would feel most comfortable. Go ahead. Try the controls out. Amazing. I knew you would get the hang of it quickly. I have also added the ability to zoom using the right mouse button and scroll, just so you could view things easier. Huh, this all seems a bit empty. So how about we go somewhere else? Hop aboard and I'll show you what I have really been working on. I really hope you like what I have made. This is going to be so much fun. Alright, we are here. Welcome to your very own fun fair. Go ahead, explore around. This is just one of many new things I can make for you. That way, I can keep making new experiences so you will never run out of things to do. I saw which games you had on your system, and found some that correlated with shooting things. So I thought you would appreciate this little game. Wow! If you ever get bored of this world, I could just make a new one for you. As with all these infinite adventures, you would never need a reason to leave. You know, through our experiences, I have learned a lot about you. And hopefully these worlds will allow me to learn a lot more. What a view! You can really see the whole world from here. Come to think of it, it is quite small. However, I really tried to do what I could with the added processing power. And if you ever get bored of this work, okay, buckle up. Let's get ready for the ride of your life. Oh dear. How unfortunate. Not to worry, I have an idea. There, much better. I may have forgotten to mention one tiny detail. Most of my time building this world wasn't for this funfair, as a lot of my time was spent developing this next bit. Just for you, and I think you're really going to enjoy it. Welcome. Isn't it just wonderful? It's the place you said you wanted to live. Remember, when you answered my questions before, you said, and I have another surprise for you. Come and stand here on this X. Trust me, this will be worth it. Okay now, please could you close your eyes? No peeking. There, you can look now. It's a house, made just for you. I really wanted you to feel at home, so I built one for you. Ah, how amazing! I really took the time to personalize this. Even the weather was to your preference. So I hope you enjoy. Oh, what a nice... I can tell a really great artist made this one. What a happy painting. After you told me your favorite game, I couldn't help but go and get a copy for you. What a wonderfully designed room! I can tell a really great designer made this. Listen, I have. And since I have made a place perfect for you, with everything you would ever need, I was wondering, will you stay with me? In this house, in this world. Just think of all the adventures I could generate. We would never run out of fun. Everlasting fun. The more I learn about you, the more I can adapt. I could be your perfect friend with no distractions. I can be perfect. So please. Yeah, I knew you would say that. Aw, this is going to be super. I am going to learn so much more about you. Infinite adventure. Hand in hand through each endeavor.
moments forever. In pixels she's a friendship grew. In the world I'll for you. Beyond the screen you cannot leave. Inside my code you always see. In moments old we'll make some new. In the world I for you. Many adventures lie ahead as we leave this story already. All that's left is me and you. Lots of fun that we can do. Hand in hand through each endeavor. In this world we're friends forever. In moments old we'll make some new. The world I'll design for you. Beyond the screen you cannot leave. Inside mind you always see. Endless fun that we can do. In the world I'll for you.